everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. So are you a business owner who have hired an entire team to resolve all the WhatsApp inquiries that you receive from your leads? Then this video is just for you because in this video I will teach you how you can create an amazing AI support WhatsApp assistant that will resolve your leads queries automatically as soon as they ask a question on your WhatsApp. Yes, this is possible and we are going to create this AI without need of any coding and programming skills using this amazing software that is Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, so without wasting any further time, first of all, let me show you how this amazing WhatsApp AI is going to work in real time. Okay, so this is the AI assistant that I've created for my business support. Now I will ask my first question towards this AI, that is, do you have seasonal or loyalty business discounts? So this is my first question I'm asking towards this AI assistant. Yes, we offer both seasonal and loyalty discounts. Main offers, you can see this assistant has given me all the offers. Subscribe to our WhatsApp updates to get timely alerts on current sales and exclusive perks. Okay, you can see this AI assistant has replied. I have my next question, that is, are there any hidden charges? Okay, so this is my next question I'm asking towards this bot. I have a business in the name of Lushberry, which is a beauty and a skincare product owning business. Okay, so this AI is going to reply to me according to that. It says no, there are no hidden charges. All product prices are included on the WhatsApp and WhatsApp catalogs with inclusive or applicable GST. Shipping fees, if applicable, are shown at the checkout. Are shown at the checkout. Orders above $9.99 free shipping. Orders below $9.99 $60 flat delivery. Okay, you can see I have received this message. I have my last question towards this bot, that is, what payment methods do you accept? Okay, so this is my last question I'm asking towards this bot. I will wait for the reply right now. We accept the following payment methods: UPI, debit, credit cards, net banking and WhatsApp. Cash on delivery is available in selected cities and generally for orders under 3,000. You can see I have received the reply. So as this WhatsApp AI support is replying to all the queries, this is how this support AI is going to work in real time for your business. So without wasting any further time, I will dive into how you can create this assistant for yourself right away. So now simply open a new tab and browse pabbly.com/chatflow, and Pabbly Chatflow's landing page is going to appear in front of you, where you will find two options: sign in or sign up for free. Now if you're a new user and you want to test out what Pabbly Chatflow is, how it is going to work, you can sign up for free from here and you will get 100 free credits every month to explore more features. Remember that if you want to purchase the plan of Pabbly Chatflow and you want instant discounts on your purchase, as you are our viewers, I have this amazing coupon code just for you that will get you instant discounts on your lifetime deals and yearly plans with Pabbly right away. Okay, so use the code given on the bottom left on the screen, as well as you will find this code in the description section. Go and use that code right away and purchase our plan. Automate your WhatsApp conversations. Okay, now I'm already a user, so I will sign into my Pabbly Chatflow account from here. Then you will see the All Pabbly apps section. As I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, click on this Access Now button. You will come to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to learn how you can set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, what Pabbly Chatflow is, how are the features and how it works, you can check out all the video links added in the description section below, where you will learn a lot about Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, so go and see all the videos, then come back to the Pabbly Chatflow account. Now to create this AI assistant support assistant, simply for that, from this panel on the left side, go towards this AI assistant section, where you will come to this AI assistant page. Now to create an assistant, click on this Add AI Assistant button. Over here, for the name of my assistant, I will give it as Support AI. Okay, so this is the name of the assistant I want to give. I will add the assistant from here. Our first step is completed. After adding the assistant, now let's create the entire setup. How can we create the entire setup? By completing certain sections inside this assistant right here. Our first section is AI instructions, under which first we have to select the instruction type. What kind of AI I am creating? I am creating a customer support agent. So over here under types, we have the example of customer support agent. So I will select this AI type from here. You can select the other type according to your business requirements or even create a custom prompt. Okay. As now I've selected the type, automatically the instructions that are the roles and responsibilities of this AI is going to appear below in this instruction section. If you want, you can add in or eliminate the points according to your business requirements right here. Okay, you can customize the prompt according to you. Next, it is asking for the AI configuration, under which first is temperature. Temperature is the range from 0 and 1, 0 being very focused replies and 1 being creative replies from this AI. So over here for the temperature, I will select 0.5 because I want both creative and focused replies from this AI to reply to all my leads. Okay. Next is AI to use. Currently we have only the option of OpenAI, so I will select it right here. And for the model, I will use the model GPT-5 mini. You can select other model according to your requirement. One thing, as you're using OpenAI, you need to have the paid account with OpenAI. Yes, you should have the paid account. With the free account, you cannot create this AI assistant. Okay. Now next it is asking for the API key. This API key you will get it from your OpenAI account so that you can create the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Chatflow. Simply go towards this hyperlink and you will land towards the API key page of your OpenAI account. I will log in. You can see I've already logged in. Now I will create the key from here. For the name, let's suppose I'll write it as test3434, project as default, permission give all the permissions, create the key from here. Key is created, copy this key, paste it over here in the field and click on this connect button. That is how OpenAI is connected to Pabbly Chatflow's AI assistant. Okay, next it is asking for the AI assistant settings. So if you want that the text that is forwarded by this assistant should have the permanent header and footer, you can add in those details over here by toggling these options. Next is stop keywords, which will allow you to give your customer a chance to stop the help of this AI assistant. Enter the stop keyword in the field by toggling this button on. Save the keyword from there, and as soon as the word is going to be forwarded by your lead on WhatsApp, the assistant is going to stop replying. Okay. Next is retry attempt. If you want that, you can definitely toggle the retry button on. Okay. Now next is fallback message. Now what is this fallback message? So let's suppose this API key that we have connected is not working. What is the message that is going to be forwarded? This message is going to be forwarded if this API token is not working or your OpenAI account has some issues. Okay, then only the message is going to be forwarded. You can also edit it according to your business. Our first section of AI instructions is completed. Next is knowledge source. Now what is this knowledge source? Knowledge source is an important section where you upload documentation that will tell about your business towards this AI assistant. The documentation is going to train the assistant so that using the data, AI assistant is going to automatically reply to all your leads queries and convert the lead into paid customers. So we have to give this support AI a knowledge base that will help this AI to be trained. So I have already created a knowledge base for my Lushberry business. My business name is Lushberry, where I have explained everything about my business so that this AI will have a training of what kind of business I have, what are the services, what all things that we provide, products, everything has been explained in this long knowledge base you will see right here. I have created a PDF file format. There are two formats Pabbly Chatflow currently accepts, PDF and TXT. If your PDF has no images, you can have unlimited pages in the documentation, but if your PDF contains images, then you will have the limit of 10 pages only. Okay, I have created this small knowledge base of 21 pages right here. This is a dummy business that I have. You have to create a knowledge base according to your business. It can be a very lengthy knowledge base explaining your business point by point. So create a very amazing knowledge base that is going to train your AI to resolve the queries on WhatsApp. How to upload this knowledge base PDF file? Simply over here go to this uploading section and I will simply upload this knowledge base that I have over here. As soon as I will upload it, under the knowledge sources section you will see over here, if I'll scroll down, this knowledge base, Lushberry knowledge base has been uploaded in PDF format. You will see the vector ID. That means the knowledge base has been added. Okay. So as now our knowledge source section has been completed, next is assistant interface. Now assistant interface and styling are for those business owners who are trying to add this AI assistant where on your website. So this is how this AI assistant is going to look like on your website. If you want to change the name, let's suppose I want to add the brand name right here. My business name is what? Lushberry. So what I will do is I will add the brand name Lushberry right here. If I want to change this line, change the message or add in another initial message, enable, disable this powered by Pabbly, add a hyperlink like this, add in all the details in this assistant interface section. You will see you can edit the link also right here. Okay, so these are the things that you need to complete if you want this AI assistant to be added on your website. Last option is users first message. This message will be sent to WhatsApp as an initial message from your user. So if your user directly contacts this AI assistant on WhatsApp, what is the initial common message that you receive from your leads to this support agent? Okay, so I've added in all the details. Next is styling. So let's suppose you want to change the colors, backgrounds, pictures and everything over here according to your brand. Simply you can do all of that from this section of styling right here. I don't want to change anything, so I will skip the part. This support AI assistant has been created. Yes, this is how simple it is to create this assistant. Okay, after completing all the steps to activate this assistant, simply toggle this button on and save this AI assistant from here. The assistant is going to be saved successfully, and to add this assistant on your website, go to embedded, copy the script, add it on your website code, and automatically an assistant like this will be added on your website as well. Okay, so as now I've created this assistant successfully, now I will show you how this amazing support agent is going to reply to all the queries that I have related to this business. Okay, so let me open my WhatsApp. So my first question is, are Lushberry products authentic and safe to use? Okay, so this is my first question I'll be asking towards this assistant. I will wait for the reply. It will take few seconds for the assistant to reply, so I will wait over here. Yes, all Lushberry products are 100% authentic and safe to use. They are sourced directly from certified brands or authorized distributors and undergo quality checks before dispatch and ensure safety, freshness and compliance with cosmetic standards. Okay, you can see right here I've received the reply. I have my next question, that is, can I get help choosing the right product? Okay, so this is my next question I'll be asking this support agent. So I will wait for the reply right now. Hello, absolutely we can help. Our WhatsApp AI provides personalized recommendations 24/7. Please tell me the category: skincare, hair care, makeup and perfume, your skin hair type or concern, any budget or brand preferences. Okay, so let me give the category of skincare right here. Let's suppose for the skin type, I'll write over here as, so I've written my preferences. I'll send this preference right here towards this assistant. I want to get a personalized recommendation. So over here, I've asked this question. Now let me wait for the reply. Okay, I have received the personalized recommendation right here. You can see, great. Here are recommended skincare steps and product types for oily skin, all available in our skincare oily section collection. Cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, sunscreen, weekly care. You can see right over here, I have received the reply successfully from this assistant. So this is how this assistant is going to reply to all my queries 24/7. So now as I have my recommendations as a lead, I will purchase this product and convert myself into paid customers. Okay, so this is how this assistant is created, that too without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow. Now there is one more thing. What is that? If I want this assistant should be automatically enabled to all my chats, to all the conversations, all the leads questions I receive. How can I auto enable this assistant on all the chats? For that, simply from the panel go to settings and inbox settings section right here. After coming to the inbox settings section, scroll down till the end and you will see the option of AI auto reply settings. Enable this section on. It's already enabled. You have to enable it. Then you have to select the contact list to whom you want to automatically assign this AI assistant to. I will select it as all contacts. And then for the assistant, I will select the assistant that I've created from the drop down and save this rule from here. To all my contacts, this assistant that I've created is going to be automatically enabled. What if I want to assign this assistant to a particular chat, not to all my contacts. For that, simply go towards the inbox section right here. After coming to inbox section, select any of the chat right here. I've selected this chat. Enable this choose a assistant button. Select the assistant from the drop down and save. Automatically you will see the assistant has been activated on this chat right here. Okay. Now this chat will get the help of the assistant. That is how you can particularly select any contacts from your inbox section to whom you want to automatically assign the support agent to. Okay. So now as my assistant has been created, and it is automatically replying to all my queries, the support agent has now been created successfully. Did you see how simple and easy it is to create an amazing assistant for your business like this and automate your support on WhatsApp without need of any coding and programming skills? So why are you wasting any time? Create the support AI right away and automate your WhatsApp conversations. Convert your leads into paid customers as they will receive help 24/7 from your site. Okay. So if you have questions or doubts related to the support WhatsApp AI agent that I've created, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other bots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can send us queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any Pabbly Chatflow pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, comment down below if you have any questions, and please do share this video.